Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna prepare for you very delicious marmalade. I guess I call marmalade jam, but I want to say it's gonna be with pumpkin. Usually we make with the red pumpkin, big ones, but I'm gonna make today from my garden. It'll grow very beautiful white pumpkin, and I'm gonna show you how you do it. And you can do the same way with the orange pumpkin, the Halloween time that we buy it. So what I'm going to do is, first what you have to do, you have to cut it. It has a lot of seed in it, just like a pumpkin. You take it out, you clean it up, and then you slice them. You see the line over here, you can make it thicker, you can make thinner, the way you want it. But usually if you slice it by each one, if it's too thin, you can make it with two. Here I cut some. I'm going to do later on this one. I want to show you over here. Let me move the camera a little bit. I already did over here. This is one of the pumpkin, and I took the seeds out. And then you have to peel it, of course, because the surface part, it's hard. It won't be able to cook, and it's not pleasant to eat. So now, because I'm going to do step by step, I want to show you first, and then I'm going to tell you. Now I have a little water here. It doesn't matter how much it is. It depends how much is your pumpkin, just to soak in it. So what it is when I put some water here, I have a pickling lime over here. It says, it comes different pictures. You see over here, it says pickling lime. So is this one, while it's open, both of them are open. But anyway, what it is we're gonna put, because it's very little, it's only 2 pumpkin that I want to show you how you do it. This is a big spoon, a little bit bigger than regular spoon, tablespoon. You just put about 2 tablespoons in the water. I want to tell you that you have to be very careful when you put the powder, because it just comes to your throat, to your nose. So it's better to wear a mask if you can. Here is another spoon full. I think this will be enough. You just have to be very gentle and let it go into the water. What we have to do is we're gonna mix this, and then we're gonna soak the pumpkin into the pickling lime. Now that it's in, now I can mix it. Now it will make it like a white liquid. Now you're gonna leave this pumpkin, these little pumpkins, I'm gonna peel, and I'm gonna do that one too. You can keep it like this way, but it's good just to cut it, because when you serve, this is very, very valuable pumpkin it is, jam it is in Middle East. When we have a guest, we offer them with the coffee, whatever, when you offer the guest with the tea, with the cake, you always bring it and you offer them. And this is how we put it in a little plate with 2 pieces, because it's very sweet. This is how we offer. Now I want to tell you about the pickling lime that you see over here. Let me bring closer the camera. So when you mix it, it makes it white, but when it go down, when it's rest, the liquid stays up and the powder stays under. So a couple times mix it just to make sure that all the water, it's really, the powder soaked very, very nice. Once you put it in, you don't have to mix it. If you want between them once to mix, you can. Or what you can do is you can let it rest. There is like 2 different ways you can do. Or you can let it rest, and then you just pour the water into another plate. To another plate, and put in just a clean liquid, and then you throw the whatever rested, you throw it away. But I'm gonna just leave it like this way, and I'm gonna put it in, and I'm gonna keep this about, I don't know, 2, 3 hours, 4 hours, whenever I have time I will do it. Or you can do it at night. You can leave it until in the morning, and you can get up and do in the morning. But I will do it because it's very little, it's not much, and it's very, very tender pumpkin it is. I'm gonna leave it about like couple hour in it, or 3 hour, like doesn't matter. After that, when it stays, we're gonna make the syrup. Here I'm gonna make the syrup for you. It's just a regular sugar and water. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 2 cups of water, 2 cups of sugar. Here is 1. It's okay if it's a little more, little less, it's not gonna hurt. You don't have to exactly measure it. This is 2 cups of sugar. Don't worry if it's a little too much, because you can use the syrup later on for other things. Sometimes when I make a coffee, for example, I use the sugar, the syrup in my coffee instead to put regular sugar. Unless I have honey, I use honey. Or if I make, for example, baklava, I can use this syrup. So you don't have to worry about being a lot. It's better to be more than being less. So over here there is about 2 cups of sugar, and I'm gonna put about maybe 3 cups of, maybe three and a half cup. 1, this is 2, this is 3 and a half cup of water. I don't want to make it too thin either, but when it's cooked, it's gonna evaporate the liquid. So there's nothing to worry or stress over. And then we have to add cinnamon and clover in it. And you can put some cardamom in it. So I have to bring it. And then I'm gonna add inside, while they are cooking, about, let's see, here, 4 or 5 pieces. And a piece of stick of cinnamon. Let's see. All right, here's some cinnamon too. There we go. It's very fine. That's why I put it a little bit much here, as you can see. All right. Now this will go on the fire, but now I'm not gonna put it. I just wanted to show you all together so I don't have to cut every minute and make a new video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel this and I'm gonna put this, and I'm gonna wait until 2 and a half hour it's gone, and then I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna warm the, after when it's finished, like the time is gone, you have to wash it at least 3-4 times until with your finger you rub them, because we don't want the pickling lime stay on it. Usually when you have a red pumpkin, orange pumpkin, what it does, if you don't wash it, it will leave white powder on it, like white marks. So you want to really wash it 3-4 times until it cleans it very good. So this is white color. It might not show, but you want to clean it to be real nice clean, and then we're gonna cook it. And then I will show you. All right, I'll be back. All right, so now, like I said, I washed it very, very good, 3-4 times, and even I let it stay 5 minutes into the water, so all the pickling lime, it will clean up. Now it's, when you see the water, it's clean, it means it's very, very clean. So now over here, the sugar that I put even cardamom in it, 2 pots, and then I took it and I crushed it, so it will give good taste. Now I'm gonna put this. Once I put this inside the syrup, I'm gonna let it boil, and then I'm gonna cover it to cook at least maybe about half hour, because it's very thin. Otherwise I will do it much longer. If I do, I'll let you know. At least 35 minutes. Let's put the timer, 35. All right, it's gonna boil, and then I'm gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna cover it, and it's gonna rest into the syrup. And then in the morning, another 10-15 minutes, we're gonna cook it, and then it will be done. All right, so I'm gonna let this boil 35 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it off. All right, now it's next day, I kept it overnight. I covered it. I let it rest. Now you will see how much lighter the color came. Now I have to cook it another maybe 10-15 minutes. I'll tell you how much it has to boil. A little bit more it needs to be cooked because we want to see the pumpkin transparent, almost that much. So this is the last time that we're going to do. Now I have over here a little bit, because it's very little, I have to put very little lemon zest in it. I'm going to put, because it's a pumpkin, I'm going to put pumpkin seeds in it. It will be very beautiful to show, and it will give good taste. It's cleaned, unsalted pumpkin seeds. And meantime, I'm going to put a little bit lemon salt, just for not to be, not to crystallize. Very little, just like the ends of the tip of the spoon. Now I'm gonna let this boil for, like I said, 15, maybe more. I'll tell you exactly how much to be ready. And the water, the liquid, I want it to be a little bit more thicker. It's already ready, but I have to cook it some more. And I'm gonna keep this open this time. When I was cooking beginning, it was covered on it about 10-15 minutes, and I let it cook a little bit more that way, beginning when we did it. So now I'm gonna let this open, so the water, the liquid will evaporate more, and it will do, and then we'll be done, and I will show you how it's gonna be. All right, now I want to tell you, I timed it exactly 20 minutes. I let it cook again. Here you see it. It smells very, very good, all those seasonings. So now I took it, couple of them, so to show you, to cool it off so I can handle it. So this is the color it should be. Like when you hold it, you see how transparent it is. It was very, very white. This is how the color it will be. And now when you guess, I'm gonna cut it. Still it's warm, but I can cut it. It's crunchy, it is. And inside, when you squeeze it, you will see the softness. But outside, it's pretty hard. When you chew this, you have to feel it hard. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but the outside part it's crunchy and inside it's soft. Usually when you cook outside it's softer and inside it's harder. This is the opposite. So this is the way, and look at the liquid, how it comes down. It's gonna even drip, you will see it. There you go. I wanna say it's very, very tasty. It's work, but it worth it every minute of it. And when we have to offer the guests, this is the way we'll offer it. This pumpkin seed, it's optional, but it's good to put. You can put even walnut in it and cook, or almond. And after you put it with this little thing, you put it, couple of them like this with walnut, and then you add a little bit of cinnamon. This is what I grinded, and it gives very delicious taste, good taste. Very little bit you put it, and this is how we offer the guest. So this is the pumpkin jam. Now I do with the red one, but it's too big, it's too much work, it's gonna be. So what I wanna say, when you put in pickling lime, the orange one, after you wash it very, very good, you take it out. Make sure you just boil it 5 minutes before you add sugar or put in a syrup, because the orange one, the orange pumpkin, it will hold a little bit the pickling lime on it. It will be the color kind of whitish. So when I say white, like powder on it. So make sure that you boil once and you throw the water, and then you'll cook it with your syrup. So this is the pumpkin. Look how beautiful and delicious it looks. They were white and now it's like translucent. You should be even able to see your finger through. That's how it is. Like when I put my finger, you can see through. This is the way it should be. Well, I hope you try this. And if you have any question, you can ask. And I want to thank you very, very much. Like I said, exactly 20 minutes after it's done. When your second time you're cooking. All right. Well, I hope you like this channel, my videos. And if you like it, please like and subscribe and share with friends. And I thank you again and have a happy holiday. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.